guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an extra special clean with me, but fall edition. So today I'm going to be going around cleaning my house, and then I'm making some special goodies for my family for the end of the night when they come home, and I think they'll be excited about it because they are super into fall treats, and as am I. So I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to give it a big like if you guys like this. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. Most of my videos right now are going to be fall edition. And just stick around. Love you guys, and let's get into it.
So the first thing I'm going to do is make my bed in the morning, since it's one of the easiest tasks a person can give themselves to do in the morning. It helps my day go a little bit better when I can check this off of my list. As you can see, there's a little colorful elephant on my bed. It's Ellie the elephant series. My kids very often come and sneak in the bed in the middle of the night. I don't know if your kids do this too, but honestly I don't mind because I know that this phase is probably going to be ending soon with the both of them.
In circles, but I'm still on the ground.
Now I'm going to be working on the bathroom, so I'm going to be spraying everything down with this acorn spice, which smells delicious, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. I'm just going to be spraying down the mirrors and the sink that gets really grimy really quickly, putting things away.
I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Oh, yep, that is pumpkin spice. So I'm going to make myself a little bit of this coffee. And of course pair it with, you guessed it, pumpkin spice creamer. Alright, with our pumpkin spice powers combined, we are super cleaning crew, motivating one household at a time. Anyways, you can see I am putting all of the clean dishes away. That way I can tackle all of the dirty dishes that are still piling in my sink, and then move on to the perimeter of the kitchen. As you saw, was a complete mess.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear
Alright guys, so I know that fall isn't officially here, but it is just around the corner, and I was wondering, what are your favorite things to do for fall? Do you guys like to do the typical apple orchard and going to pumpkin patches? Do you like drinking certain things like hot chocolate? Do you like having campfires while it's nice and cool out? Or is there something that is just more significant for your family that you feel that you do every single summer, carrying on traditions? I would just like to know, so leave that in the comments down below because I love hearing from you guys.
Be sure you hear my call. Darkness around me, and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me, and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Yeah, hard to let go. Hard to let go. Why it's
And in case you guys were wondering, yes, my soap is also acorn spice.
Clouds roll by, glittering. I never thought they would let me in. A fading light, a distant.
So this and that stuff normally goes in here, but my daughter likes to take everything out, as you can see, and make it into her clubhouse. So she has a bunch of books and toys and more books and a drumstick in there. So kind of at a loss of where I'm gonna put these guys unless I'm gonna take her stuff out. But this ends up happening every few days. Yep.
Call. The devil will never be welcome here at all. The sky is gray, I guess that's what it takes to feel a little lonely. It's a stay. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal, nothing more. Lesson learned, a slight state of hope that you will return. It's what I got, and then the summer turned into fall. Waited here just for you, caught in the moment of finally getting through. Fading light.
And now we're moving on to the living room where little Gideon is very eager to help. He loves helping me put things away and clean. He's putting away his lunch, and then he comes back and he starts putting away his clothes and his shoes and everything. He likes to put his toys away and feel like a big boy, which I think is just so darn cute and super helpful.
So let me be the one to hold you.
Then one of my last tasks is cleaning off the kitchen table. It really just becomes a dumping ground for everybody. It's usually the kitchen table and the countertops. It's kind of our go-to place to put letters and newspapers, flyers, things for school, art projects that me and the kids work on, and then also leftover food or groceries that come home. Not to mention every day that me and Ben throw our keys, sunglasses, and camera equipment down on it as well.
To fall.
Last year we went to the eye. I remember your smile reflecting the light. We didn't care what tomorrow would bring. It was only right now, the sun was alive. Can still see you walk down the shore, holding in all the secrets, kept me waiting for the answers. The answers. Yeah. We can do it all again. I know. Somewhere down the line we're meant to come back home. We can do it all again. I know. I know. Somebody said it's only those who dare to
This is Yuri's cute little bunny that I have to sew back up.
who get the most out of a life under the sun. But I know it's not true. I've seen.
Now we can move on to the extra special treats. Hold on a second though, there's something I always wanted to try. That's better.
Yeah, it's brighter than the
So first I'm going to be cutting up some Granny Smith apples in thinner slices. I'm going to be placing them on a plate and then adding some caramel sauce on top so that we can all enjoy for our movie night tonight.
last day I saw you in town. Didn't care to say hi, you were in a rush. And let's say I'll see you again. Would you care to sit down, or was it just a crush? I see you walk down the street, holding in all the secrets, keep me waiting for the answers. The answers. And we can do it all again. I know. Somewhere down the line we're meant to come back home. And we can do it all again. I know. I know. Somebody said it's only those who dare to die young who get the most out of a life under the sun. But I know it's not true. I've seen.
Then for my second treat, I'm going to be making this apple cider a little bit yummier. So I have this gallon of apple cider that I bought at the store. I'm going to be pouring it into my glass pitcher. I'm going to be adding some red sliced apples that I already cored out and I sliced so that they look like little circles. I'm going to be adding it into the apple cider, stirring it up a little bit, and then lastly I'm going to be adding a couple of cinnamon sticks just to boost up that cinnamony flavor, which my family all loves, and it smells so delicious. So afterward I'm just going to stir it up a little bit more, and that's pretty much it. We are all set for our Harry Potter movie night.
lunch. Alright guys, that was it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more videos and become part of my YouTube fam. I hope to see you guys on the next one and have a spooktacular day.